Today we're looking at the Fifine K688 XLR USB dynamic mic. This mic comes with a shock mount, USB to USB-C cable, 5/8 to 3/8 adapter, and a user manual. This microphone, as you can see, it has volume controls for the mic, and then it also has headphone volume controls. I got it on sale. It was under $70, and I think it's a really nice microphone for that much. I'm going to go ahead and let you listen to the ambiance around me. This is a dynamic mic, and what that means is the sound all around this is going to be rejected, and it's going to pick up directly in front of this microphone. And you can see the further I back away, it gets very, very weak, very fast. And the closer I get, the louder the volume. Okay, let's hear what it sounds like with a guitar. Outside the Nashville city limits, a friend and I did ride. We were glad to be alive. Outside the Nashville city limits, a friend and I did ride. We were glad to be alive. We're listening to the USB portion of this mic. It's running straight into my MacBook Pro, and it's recording on Logic Pro. And now I'm going to hook up the XLR portion of this mic, and I'm going to test that out, and I'm going to do some comparisons with another mic. I'm going to compare it with an MXL V250 XLR condenser mic, just for a little comparison. The advantage to using a dynamic mic is the sound is only picked up in front. It ignores all the sound around you. This is a good mic to use if you have problems with sound or if you live in a noisy area. The condenser mic, on the other hand, picks up everything. And this is good to use if you have a soundproof, isolated room when you want to catch the nuances of instruments, things like that. I'm going to go ahead and try these out with a guitar. The MXL condenser mic, it doesn't have a shock mount, but it's got this little mount right here. And you can see the covers are real different. Take these off. This is the Fifine cover. This mic, I went ahead and bought a Rhodes NT1 cover for it. So you can see the differences there. And you can hear these mics without any cover on them. With the P's. With the P's. Okay, and there's a little distance. They're equal distances from my mouth. I tried to show everything I could as fairly as possible. The volumes on my Scarlett, my Focusrite Scarlett, were set to the same. I think I had it a little more than 3/4 up for both mics. The Fifine with the guitar, it was too far away to pick it up, so I had to add a loudness, and I had to add some volume. If you go to buy it on Amazon, there's a coupon with it. Right now, you're listening to my Audex OM2 dynamic mic. The volume is all the way up on the DAW, and this is the microphone, and you can kind of hear the thundering in the background. The dynamic mics are great at eliminating sound, where the condenser mics are definitely going to pick it up. So take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.